27th problem, there is a simple pendulum. The graph is plotted between its kinetic energy and potential energies. Then which of the following represents correctly? So the kinetic energy and potential energies, you see, option 1 is wrong. As you know, the kinetic energy should not be like U shape. It should be inverse, right? So then potential energy, yes, potential energy, you know that it should be minimum at the center and it should be maximum at the end points. Kinetic energy basically reverse. So yes, second one is somewhat better. So the answer is second, right? Okay. And check the answer. That is yourself. That you can take later. So this directly, it's a direct bit only. It is a graph. Okay. Such kind of problems also comes. But we used to be little bit of tensed. Okay, since you even at that time you will be getting tense. So like that, if you see there are some more problems, try to practice. So this is also some problem which is related to energy. So energy is basically in a complete cycle how the energy is there, or in a one half cycle how much is in a one half cycle time period how much is the energy is there. Like that, if you see, basically suppose if the body is having based on the position level, if you see, this is what the kinetic energy and potential energy graph. But if you say this kinetic energy only or potential energy only, then you need to see. For example, if you see, this is from in this way means you have initially the body is having less kinetic energy, then it will become maximum at the center because velocity is maximum. Nothing but half mv square is basically kinetic energy expression. So velocity gets maximum, right? That is half mv square. So here is basically you should say that at time t equals 0, it is its the position of equilibrium. That means the body, first of all, it is at the equilibrium. If the body is at the equilibrium, then the body starts in the motion, right? If the body starts in the motion, then the kinetic energy basically at the equilibrium position, so basically you can say that once it is being displacing up to the end points and then releases, you should have a feeling of how best it is suitable to this graph. So I'll see this the answer here first of all because it is having a little bit of sometimes the position is making something else. Okay, yeah. Here you see the formula is nothing but half m omega square a square cos square omega. Nothing but what it tells you because the body is basically is being displaced from the equilibrium position, but you should not consider that initial case. Okay, initially it is at zero, but in that case there is no movement, but the you started and you are releasing. You started stretching the body in simple pendulum or in a simple harmonic motion, and you are releasing at the maximum point. Okay, then from there you are supposed to start. In that case, where the velocity is zero at the end point, then it will be velocity becomes maxima when you are coming towards the center. Since velocity becomes maxima means nothing but kinetic energy is maximum. Then at the t by 4 means so it takes t by 4 time to come to its equilibrium, that is it comes down and then further it is going 2t by 4 times to become high. Further it comes 3t by 4 so that it comes 0. Further it becomes maxima for the next completing the total period. Okay? Understood what I am trying to tell you? Anyone give me answer?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Can you explain another once? How best this graph is suitable? Why I am asking you, now I tell that so that the body is at the center, equilibrium. Okay. Now this is being displacing from the center, that displacing to, it is keeping at the maxima. Okay, then now you are released. Once you release only, the body starts into the oscillation due to restoring force. Okay, now when, because the body once it is released from the, it is started from the maxima point, there the velocity starts from 0, the velocity becomes maxima at the center, right? Suppose at the center means at time t equal to 0, the velocity becomes maxima means what? Which is Ke is maxima, kinetic energy is maxima at time t equal to 0. Because time t equal to 0 indicates what? Equilibrium position, right? So this is at equilibrium position, where which is velocity is maxima. As you know that velocity becomes 0 when the body reaching to the end point. So how much time is taken for that means t by 4 time. As you know, if you say in terms of phase, it takes 90 seconds, right? Then again it will come back. You can say that again it will come back to the, say, equilibrium to the another side. You can say another side. So there in the t by, it takes t by 4 times to make it. Then the velocity becomes 0. Then again from the other side, maybe it will be left side or right side, you can say, from that side, since the velocity is 0, kinetic energy is 0. So it takes further t by 4 times to come to equilibrium point. So that at the equilibrium point, the velocity becomes maximum. So kinetic energy becomes maximum. Nothing but this is 2t by 4. 2t by 4 is nothing but t by 2. Right? And then again the body should go to the other side, because we started the body towards, we stretched the body either to the left or right, initial case. So it should go to the other side. Once it is going, it is taking 3t by 4 time, so that here the velocity is being what? Maximum on the other side. Nothing but where we have started the body and release that side. But again it is come back in due to restoring force. So velocity being increasing, velocity becomes maxima, that is reaching here. So that is nothing but kinetic energy is maximum. Okay, so this is how this case is being there, right? So this is what is basically how the kinetic energy is making like this. So this is what once you need to think very carefully. It appears that how best we are thinking. It's everything is depends upon, you have to feel that okay, I am doing the experiment. I am doing means yes, I am only doing. I am not, I am the observer. Yes, I am the part of it. Maybe I am traveling with that pendulum. Like that, we should feel. Then only you can able to give this kind of answer. Very simple. Okay. So So my request is try to solve the problems, as many as the problems.